Hi, this is going to be a short overview, and we're going to walk you through the process of how to order formula and or supplies from the Peas website. So to start, you click on Equipment and Supplies. Then on the left-hand side, click Order Formula and enter all supplies. And you can scroll down and read this page. There might be some alerts. For instance, there's a letter here about holiday ordering. There's some online resources on how to use the tool. And if you scroll further, you'll see two separate sections, one for Edmonton Stollery and one for Calgary, Alberta Children's Hospital. And here we will list all formula supplies that are on back order, any substitutions, recalls. So this is an important piece to review every time you log in. So you can scroll back up to the top, click place an order, and you'll have a username and password that was sent to you by the program in an email. If you forget your user or your access code, you can reset it here using the click here button. And you can access this form. I'm going to click go to orders. You can access this form from your phone, your cell phone, a tablet, or your home computer. If you go to the library, you don't have to own a device to access the website. So this is what the order form looks like. On the left-hand side, there's some demographic information. I'm using a test patient here. The program would like you to review these notes every time you place an order. There's notes about how often you can make an order, what quotas you can expect to order, and then notes about delivery and pickup in the case you can't make it for an emergency reasons. And if you keep scrolling down, you will see the formula and supplies that are assigned to you or to your kiddo. So in this case, you'll see the name of the formula. If for some reason your formula is on back order, you might see a substitute here. It will tell you how many pieces come in the case, whether that's formula or powder or modules. And then the client case quota is how much you can order per month. And this is what you have remaining to order. And so it will not, I'll just show you for an example. I will try to order more than my maximum quota. So I'm going to try to enter 9. Here you'll see my case quota set to 8. So I will get a message here saying the number of cases has exceeded the quota, and it will automatically bump me down to the maximum for formula. So there are some checks and balances in the application to make sure you're getting the right amount, right quantities of supplies and formula. If you scroll down, you'll see some notes about the quotas that you can refer to. So you've got a general idea of how many syringes per month, how many feeding bags per month, and etc. Now, under supplies, you will see an image of the supply you're ordering for most of the supplies, the name of the image, if it's being substituted for something else, if it's on back order, and if you've ordered within the last 28 days. So you can go in here and enter your order amounts, and you just order what you normally would order. And when you scroll down further, you can choose your pickup or delivery method. So in this case, because I've selected formula, Canada Post is disabled. I'm unable to select Canada Post because formula is not sent through Canada Post. So you can either choose Edmonton Warehouse Pickup or Edmonton Courier. So I'm going to pick delivery by Edmonton Courier. And then all I need to do is click submit order. and I will get a confirmation message here. I will also receive an email that my order was received, and I will receive an email when the delivery date has been assigned to my order. And then I'll also receive a reminder the day before my delivery or pickup date. If I scroll down to the bottom of the form, I can also see all of my past orders. And once a delivery or pickup date is assigned, this will populate as well. So I will be able to look back and say, and look at what items were delivered on what date. One other thing is you'll see here now that these fields are disabled, and where it says ordered last 28 days, yes. So that means I cannot make another order until 28 days has passed from today. So that's why the program asks you to take your time, make sure you order everything you need because you can only place one order every 28 days. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful and I hope that this is a smooth transition for you. Thank you so much.